Hello! This is Popular Drawings. Today we have 6 slabs and we will make 6 drawings of animals. It will be easy and fun. Let's go! I'm drawing Guess Who It Is.
Friend, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click like this tutorial. And I can shoot new videos for you.
This is a bee. Guess who it is? This is Ladybug. This is fish. This is Snail. This is turtle. This is a mouse. Hooray! We draw 6 animals. Subscribe to the channel and watch other videos. Goodbye.